That's just from turning the side lights on. The gauge is going up and down. Ignition on. Gauges are illuminating, but the lights are turned off. I was trying to start the engine.